Congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacate.
Alright, here at Dairy Queen in the drive-thru, you know. Picking up there. I'm getting a new Royal Oreo Blizzard. I was gonna get the cheesecake, New York cheesecake, but I decided not to do that one. And let me shift gears here. Oh, and get going. Oh, race car life. There we go. Alright. And brake. Alright. So yeah, anyways. So I'm picking up that. And yeah. Y'all like that purple tint back there? I gotta get that hideous crap off. But anyways, we'll get into a review when I get home if it ain't melted by the end. But yeah, we'll see. Man, my face look weird. Alright, gonna go ahead and beat this thing up real quick. You know, I got a large, got an Oreo, and I wish y'all can. So can't get y'all no good look because it's melting, man. I got a large. I got the Royal Oreo. So they got like Royal, the little caramel, the Royal candy, the little caramel part inside. That's what he got inside of it. So I mean, as you can see, it's melting. But they did serve it to me upside down, you know. That Oreo and that caramel put together, it's a banger. I didn't think that I was gonna get the cheesecake, New York cheesecake, but I didn't think that right there and cheesecake with I don't know if it was strawberry or cherry or whichever one. I didn't think I think that was a little too much, but that's why I didn't get that one. But this right here, you know, go pick yourself up one. I don't know if y'all see the caramel on the spoon, but yeah, you got caramel in it. Pretty damn good, you know. That's a whole caramel bite right there. It's nice and thick. Right now it's not. It's melted. Because I drove all the way home with this. But it's melting. But they did serve it to me upside down if I didn't say that. So, alright. Just tastes like an Oreo. And like everybody else, Oreo shake. I mean, shake, but this got caramel inside of it. So, tastes a little bit different. Stay a little bit better. You get to taste the caramel and whatnot. Yeah, that's about it. So, like, subscribe, give a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you feel. Leave a comment below. Yeah, so always remember, believe in yourself, because if you don't, nobody will. Peace.